Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Jack London State Historic Park and Take 5 with Jack, our nature and wellness video series. I'm Christina, and today we've brought you to Maze Clearing, a beautiful spot along the Sonoma Mountain Trail and only a mile and a half off the Beauty Ranch parking lot. This scenic overlook offers fantastic views that on a clear day can reach as far as 60 miles away, all the way to Mount Diablo. And it's a great spot for our topic today, exploring nature through our sense of touch. So, the power of touch. We've known for ages that touch is essential for well-being and even has the power to heal. One illustration of this is a study in which preterm newborns who had received just 3 15-minute sessions of touch therapy each day for 5 to 10 days gained 47% more weight than premature infants who had received just the standard medical treatment. And it also affects our mental health. Neuroscience tells us that touch activates the area of the brain that is directly linked to feelings of reward and compassion. And we all know the power of a warm hug or the soft fur of a beloved pet to soothe and calm us. So we can actually use this sensory pathway to help us manage our moods. So our tip for this week, enjoy nature through your sense of touch by going on a textures walk. This can be done in a park or in your own backyard if you have one. Simply observe the textures of different natural objects that are all around you. Now I encourage you to go slowly. Close your eyes and really focus on the different sensations that you're receiving. This activity helps to ground you in your body, take you out of your head for a little bit, and quiet that mental chatter. It's also a great activity to do with young kids, and you can make it more fun by turning it into a textures scavenger hunt. Simply create a list or even a bingo card of different textures and sensations like warm, cold, rough, smooth, hard and soft, so on. And then go out onto the trail or in your yard and look for natural objects that have those textures. For example, look for the roughness of tree bark, or the smoothness of a stone, or fuzzy versus leathery leaves. Just be careful not to touch any plants or objects that may be irritating to the skin, such as poison oak. And children should always check in with their grown-up before touching any plant that they don't know. So, try this out at home. Let us know how it goes for you in the comments below. And please click like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you guys next week.